goes. All right, guys, so let's check out this particular example. You can see this is the Euro USD, and you can see what the market was doing. Around this point, you can see the market was in a very clear downtrend. You can see how the market was breaking structures, forming lower lows and lower highs, so making this a very good downtrend. So when the market got to somewhere around this point, you can see what the market did. The market ranged on this same point for a little while. So if I'm going to draw a zone area around this point, you're going to see what the market was doing somewhere at this point. So you can see that the market was able to range a little bit. All of a sudden, the market broke this particular point. So for those people who are thinking this is a very good support zone that the market is going to bounce up and start flying, what the market wants to do to them is that the market wants to take up their liquidity. In other words, the market wants to hit their stop loss, because their stop loss is a sell order. So that means they want to sell to the big players to the smart money traders. Right, so they are selling. This down movement is going to hit the stop loss of everybody that was buying, so that they will be selling. A stop loss order in a buy position is a sell order. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. So once the market hits your stop loss, that means you've sold to the smart money traders in this particular market. So you can see how the market was able to make this move, sweep up the liquidity. And like I told you, the next thing you want to do is you want to understand, if I draw this particular trend on this particular point, you will see how this zone was actually a very good zone, but market was just ranging on this particular point, trying to deceive some people. So the market came down. But like I said, because this has happened doesn't mean we are now going to say the uptrend has begun. The next thing we want to happen is that the market has to be able to buy up and break this particular swing high that brought it down. So if I do this on the market, you will see how the market was able to come up. And already let me also draw this trend line just to indicate to you, so you can see how this price was going. So like I told you, the first thing that should happen is that the market should make this liquidity sweep. The second thing that should also happen is that the market will break this trend line. The third thing that will happen is that the market should also break this particular point. For now, it has not broken. So you can see what the market was doing. So now you can see that the market has been able to break this particular point. So the next thing you just be waiting for is you'll be waiting for a very good